Good morning. Today I'll show you the keyboard. See, as I told you in the last class that there are 5 types of keys in a keyboard. Now see the alphabet keys from here to here, from A, B, C, D all till Z. These are alphabet keys. Number keys. See, these are all number keys. Functional keys are on the top. F1, F2, F3, F4 till F12. And then there are arrow keys. See, up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. And there are control keys. Enter, shift, alt, control, insert, delete, home. Okay, these are all, this is a backspace key. These are all home keys. Now I'll switch on my computer and show you how all these keys work. Okay, now see, this is my computer where I will show you how we can use the keyboard on the monitor. Okay, I think it is visible to you. Now see, for using the keyboard we need to have a page. আমাদের একটা পেজের প্রয়োজন where we can type. So this is my computer which is in Windows 10 format. Here we'll go to the start button, we'll type, and here is the office. From here we can get the MS Word where we will type something. Okay, this is MS Word, and from here we'll take MS Word. We'll do new blank document. Our page has come. Okay, now see, there is a cursor. See this black dot blinking. Okay, you can see this is blinking. This is a cursor. Okay, this is called a cursor. So this blinking cursor, that is blinking continuously, this shows us where to write something. See, I am writing whatever I can write, and then see the cursor is blinking where, that way it is showing that the next thing which is I am going to write, that will be there only. The cursor shows us the position. Okay, let me erase it. Now we will directly shift to the function of the keys. The first function that, see in your book, it is written enter. Enter means change the line. That means the cursor moves to the next line. Now see, there is a cursor. We are writing something. Okay, now you have seen the cursor there, and now see, we are writing something. Suppose A, S, D, F. We have written A, S, D, F. Now I will press this big enter key. Okay, and you see on the screen while I press the enter key. See the enter key. After I press the enter key, the cursor has come down. See, the cursor was here, but the cursor has come down. If I want the cursor to be more down, now see, I'll put that cursor more down. I'll press enter, it came more down. Again I will press enter. See, again it came down. Again. তো whenever তুমি যখন enter press করবে, cursor next line এ চলে আসবে. Okay, now let's go up again. Next is your space bar. Leave a blank space between characters or words. Now see, I will type Ayush. Okay, A-Y-U-S-H. Ayush. Now, if I want to write your title, Guha, then how will I write? I have to give a space. For giving that space, now I'll show you. There is this long button in the keyboard. Okay, in your book also it is shown. The long button. This is called the space button. Now see, I will put one space and see, there is a space. Then I can write Guha. See, there is a space. Can you see that? Again, if I want to write more information about you, I need to come to the next line. For coming to the next line, what I have to press? Correct. Enter. We'll press enter. See, I've come to the next line. Now I want to write that you are a good boy. So he is a good boy. I will write H-E, he. Then again I have to give space to write is. I will press the long key. And see, there is a space. Then is. Then again space. A space. Good. Space. B-O-Y. Full stop. Okay. Now we will use the function backspace. This is the backspace key. See, I am writing something and I'll try to erase it from right to left. Then see, I'll press this backspace key and here things will get erased from right to left. See. Okay. But if I want to erase it from left to right, then we have to press delete key. I am pressing delete key. Is it getting erased? No. Then what we are doing? We are bringing this cursor to the front. Okay. See. I'll take this to the front. Right. The cursor is blinking in the front. Now we will use the delete option. See, it is getting erased. Okay. The next thing is shift. In the shift key function is, if I want to type an alphabet in its capital form, then see, I have to press the shift key and then I have to press, suppose, P. See, there is a capital P. Again I have to press shift. I will not leave the shift button. Press L. Sorry, my caps lock button is already on. First I'll switch it off. Now see, I pressed shift L. There is a capital L. I'll press shift. I will not leave this shift and press P. There is a capital P. If I don't press shift and press L, then I'm showing you, there will be a small l. Small l, small p, small h. But as soon as I press shift and then press anything, O, I, J, K, L, P, whatever, see, those are in capital format. Okay. If I want to write everything in capital format, we need to use the caps lock button. And see, here is the caps lock button. I'll switch it on. Here the light starts blinking, and then whatever I will write, everything comes in capital format. If I want to write the full document in capital format, it will be like this. Can you see? I'll erase it. Next is tab button. Tab button, write text at a regular interval. Suppose I need to write some words and the space between the words should be same. Suppose I've written this and then I will press the tab button. Okay, see what happens. Okay, now see, the cursor is blinking. I'll press tab. I'll write something. I'll press tab. Written. Again I'll come to the next line. See, the cursor will come from there only. It will not go to the beginning point. Okay. Now I want to write something here. I'll write it here. I will come to the next line. Again I'll put tab. And it will come to here. See. Okay. So you can write text at a regular interval. All these gappings are equal. And this can be done through the tab button only. Okay. Now I'll teach you the home button. See, I've typed anything. I'll keep on typing anything. Now suppose I want this cursor to go directly to this beginning of the line, then what I will do? I will press the home button. Now see, as soon as I press the home button, it comes to the beginning of the line. Okay, you can write anything or add anything there. Suppose in this line I'll put the cursor here. I want to go to the beginning of the line with one button click. I pressed home button, it went to the beginning of the line. So this is the use of the home button. For end button, see, this is the end button. End button will take the cursor to the end of the line. See, I'll press end button. It went to the end of a line. See, again I will press end button. It went to the end of the line. Then there is written page up, used to display the previous page. Page down, used to display the next page. See, here is page up, page down. Here we have not done any second page. That's why we could see only the first page. See, we can only see the first page here. It is written the first page. If we have second page, third page, so page up will show you the previous page, and page down button, if you press, you will see the next page. So this is all the functions of this keyboard. This is the longest key, space bar. Sometimes it is written here space bar, sometimes the brand is written, my brand is Rapu. So this keyboard, I think you are well acquainted now. What are the keys of this keyboard and what are the uses of this keys? I have shown you. You see this video repeatedly, and if you have a computer or a laptop, you can practice on it. You can write anything about yourself, about myself, about your school, using space bar, caps lock, shift key, enter key. You remember what is enter key? When you want to change the line, you can press the enter key, right? So if you can write a document in your computer or in your laptop and you can show me, I will be really happy to see that. But you should know what I taught today. Next class we'll go and we'll do more. Let me see what in the next class. Next class we have got typing techniques and finger positions into the keyboard. I'll show you what is the finger position on the keyboard. Okay, this you practice at home. Bye.